this video, I will be creating beautiful wearable art pieces using resin. I am using jewelry molds to make necklace pendants, or you can use earring loops for this project. Silicone molds should also work well for jewelry making, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Measure 1 part resin to 1 part hardener in separate containers. The solution must be mixed in the exact equal proportion to achieve an optimal result. Stir slowly so you don't make too many bubbles. The mixing process may produce bubbles. I use packing tape to make double-sided tape. You cannot pour the resin solution directly onto the work surface. Pour the solution into the mold halfway. Let it cure for a few hours. If you want to add pigment or glitter to your jewelry piece, it is best if you mix them with the resin before casting or before you pour it into your mold. I add on accents such as dried plants, stones, shells, and gems. Heavier elements such as small stones and crystals stick to the bottom of the resin. Therefore, they should be positioned on the first layer of cast resin. However, for smaller or lighter elements, place them on the top or near the top layer so it can be visible. Or you can pour multiple layers of resin and place them in layer to give it a 3D effect. Remember, you should give the resin a few hours to cure before adding on another layer of resin. There is a process for making a flower look fresh, which is not part of this tutorial. If the flowers are not treated properly before embedding into the resin, they will look wilted. Colors will fade, turning yellow over time. There are several different types of resin, but I am using an epoxy resin, which can take days to dry. Epoxy resin is a beautiful crystal clear surface and is ideal for making jewelry and accessories. Once all the elements are securely fixed, pour the resin to fill the rest of the mold to the top. Mix only enough resin to fill the mold. Excess mixture cannot be kept as they are sticky and will get dried. Leave the resin to dry in the mold for at least 24 hours or more, depending on your product brand. The whole thing must dry completely before removing the resin from the mold or from the tape. Resin is very sticky, and it is advisable to wear protective gloves. Your work surface should be covered and the room should be well ventilated. Resin is an amazing jewelry making medium. It takes many trials, and it's not an easy craft to master. Epoxy resin is versatile, so there are no limits to your jewelry design. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!